Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play X and Zero. This classic game is simple to learn and fun for all ages. To begin, you will need a playing surface like paper and 2 players. Draw a grid with 3 rows and 3 columns, creating 9 total squares. One player will choose to be X and the other will be 0. Decide amongst yourselves who will make the very first move. Once the game begins, players alternate placing their chosen marker, either an X or a 0, into any empty square on the grid. The primary objective is to be the first player to successfully get 3 of your markers in a continuous line. This winning line can be formed horizontally across any row, vertically down any column, or diagonally from one corner to another. A key part of playing X and 0 involves strategic thinking. While you are trying to form your own line of 3, you must also pay close attention to your opponent's moves. If they are about to complete a line of 3, you must place your marker in the blocking square on your turn. Smart players often try to create 2 potential winning lines simultaneously, forcing their opponent into a difficult choice. Sometimes, neither player manages to get 3 markers in a row, and all 9 squares on the grid become filled. When this happens, the game is considered a draw, often referred to as a cat's game or a tie. For a more advanced challenge, you can try playing on a larger grid, such as a 4x4 or even a 5x5, requiring 4 or 5 in a row to win.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.